Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the 100W High Bay LED Light 6-pack, a powerhouse of illumination designed for commercial and industrial spaces. With an impressive 15,000 lumens output and a 120-degree beam angle, these lights offer 6,500K daylight brightness and CRI 80+ quality, making them equivalent to 400W of conventional lighting while slashing your electric bill by up to 80%. Crafted with an innovative thin one-piece die-cast aluminum housing, these rugged UFO shop lights boast excellent thermal conductivity and a high-quality LED driver for stable, flicker-free, and glare-free illumination. Installation is a breeze thanks to the extra-long 6.56-foot power cord with a plug and a 30 cm metal chain, allowing for easy placement without the need for an electrician. Plus, with an IP65 waterproof and dustproof design, these lights are perfect for wet or harsh environments, making them ideal for garages, workshops, barns, gymnasiums, factories, exhibition halls, and logistics centers. Experience the ultimate in high-performance lighting with these exceptional high bay LED lights, engineered to meet the demands of large-scale commercial and industrial locations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.